What does the client need to provide at briefing stage? At briefing stage, the client provides information about the building, the intended use, and the operational context. Details the designer cannot determine without direct input from the user. This is what the designer typically needs: building drawings, architects and structural drawings, or a measured survey. The intended use with loadings, occupancy and access requirements stated clearly. Any known slab specification, ground investigation reports, or constraints on column positions. The existing fire strategy, sprinkler coverage and compartmentation. Services routing and any plant that fixes where columns cannot go. Program constraints, particularly where installation runs alongside live operations. And any lease, landlord or planning conditions affecting permanent internal alterations. Don't worry if you don't have all of this to hand. If the information isn't available at briefing stage, the designer will carry out a site survey to make sure every one of these considerations is properly factored in. The more complete the brief, the more accurate the design, and the less rework further down the line.